Your appeal is the second one.
Second one. Vinod.
What you want to add in this?
My lord, I may put my argument in brief, my lord. My lord, there are 6 accused, my lord.
5.
Govind, Vikram, Vinod, Kamlesh, W and Prakash, my lord. They alighted from the bus at 8:15 a.m. in the morning, my lord. Govind is the father of Vikram and Vinod. Govind was having double barrel gun. Vikram was having one Mauser. Vinod was having one single barrel gun. And other 3 were having the country-made pistols. This is the allegation in the FIR. And in the FIR, there are 4 direct eyewitnesses, Miller. One is complainant Buddharam, he is PW2. He is the brother of the deceased. He said, by chance I went to the bus stand and I was just waiting there and I didn't have conversation with my brother who is shot dead. This is PW2 and PW3 is Miller, Naval Kishore. Naval Kishore is the son of the deceased. He said, I didn't have any work. I was going to fill the cement in the dam. Dam is 1 kilometer away. I just filling up the cement. Then I came back. I just sat there. I didn't have conversation with my father. This is PW3, Naval Kishore. PW5 is Mahesh. Mahesh is also son of one of the brother Bhagirath. Bhagirath is the brother of deceased. And Mohan said, I also went to fill the dam, with the cement bags. I came and I sat there. And PW7 is Pritham Miller. This Pritham is son of Buddharam, complainant. And PW7, he also said, I went to fill the dam with the cement bags. I came and sat there. All these 4, PW2, PW3, 5 and 7, they said we didn't have any conversation with the deceased Balkishan. And the complainant Buddharam said, when I was sitting there, there is a forest choki. When I was sitting there, normally in the forest choki, 3 to 4 people used to sit there. So that means these 4, there are another 4, there are 8 people are there. Then all people said in a parrot fashion that Vikram at the Mauser, he fired first shot at disease, which shot at the left hand. Then the disease Balkishan, he ran away from the bus stop to the house of PW6 Ratanlal, which is almost 300 meters away. In between there are many shops and many houses, but he went to PW6 Ratanlal's house, Miller. Because Ratanlal is from the same caste, Butham caste. It has come in the evidence, Miller. Now, Miller, all these 4 people, they didn't try to save the deceased. Neither they followed him, and they said in the evidence, we didn't find any blood spot from the bus stop to the Ratanlal's house. And in Ratanlal's house, Miller, Ratanlal didn't see anyone except the Balkishan, the deceased. But when they were coming out, only Ratanlal saw the Vikram, that he didn't see anyone. Now the unnatural conduct of these witnesses are neither PW2, PW3, 5, 7 or Ratanlal PW6. Nobody took him to the hospital. Nobody informed the police. Then police came, Milord. Then the FIR was registered at 9:30 a.m. in the morning, after 1 hour 15 minutes, Milord, by the Buddharam. And PW8, Mr. Yadav Ayu said, I do not know from where he came. Then one more interesting point is, Milord, FIR written by the PS Yadav, PW8 himself. And PW2 in his deposition said, I do not know whether this part he has written or not. And the FIR does not accompany with the requisition application to the doctor, Milord. And the requisition application is also, the time is blank also, Milord. So there is, as my Lord and friend said, so it shows that it is anti-time and there is no compliance of section 157 CRPC, which is a protection, so it should not be manipulated. One more point, there is no compliance of section 174 CRPC, which the IO must inform to the executive magistrate and go to the spot to do the investigation. He didn't do that, my Lord. And my Lord, kindly go to that incident, spot of the incident. The spot of the incident, now nobody took that disease to the hospital and they declared he dead. All the deposition said parrot patient that he was dead without examination by the doctor. Then Milord, BW9 comes in. BW9 is Kasiram. He is the brother of the deceased and all these people. He is the brother of the deceased. He said, after hearing the concert, I went there. When I went there, he didn't say I found anyone. Then police came and police sent the dead body direct to the hospital with the Rakesh Kumar, he is the constable Miller. It shows that Miller, nobody has seen the incident Miller. Neither anybody is injured, nor anybody is taken him to hospital. These are all unnatural conduct. It's wholly unreliable evidence Miller. And Miller, there is no compliance of section 157 CRPC, which is mandatory in Mehraj Singh Miller. And there is Radha Singh says 174 CRPC mandate, that compliance is mandatory Miller. There is no compliance Miller. And all evidences have been given in the parrot fashion. And Miller, one gun has been recovered from Gobind Singh. That is double barrel gun. And from that it is come in the evidence, this bullet doesn't match to that double barrel gun. And double barrel gun is a licensed gun, Miller. No other weapon has been recovered, Miller. Now, Miller, medical evidence, it is come in the evidence, the ocular evidence does not match with the medical evidence, Miller. Regarding that bullet, Miller, and those soils, bloods, contained soils, those are not proved also. And Honorable High Court has said, we presume, since these are all blood group of B from the materials, we presume the blood group of the disease is also a B group, which is not also proved, Miller. I'm just giving in the brief, Miller, my argument. So, Miller, the point is, Miller, and there was enmity. EW7 has said illustratively how there is enmity. The enmity between Balkishan, the disease, and the Bikram. In 1994, the wife of Bikram and wife of Balkishan contested, and wife of Balkishan won the election. And in 2000, the very year the incident happened on 3rd June 2000, in 2000, there was another Sarpanch election. This time, proxies were got from Bikram and from Balkishan. But this time, Balkishan proxy lost the election, Miller. So they have said that due to this enmity, this incident has happened. But this enmity is not being proved. Nobody is a natural witness. My Lord, I have prepared some notes, Miller. I may just hand over.
Except for Ratan Lal.
Ratan Lal, Miller. Ratan Lal said categorically, I have not seen anyone. And Ratan Lal is a natural witness. And Miller, in Ratan Lal's house, Ratan Lal has said, I live with my wife and other 4 children. That means 6 people are there. Here 4 for 8, there is 6. 14 people are there. If the witnesses to be examined, neither is wife examined. Ratan Lal has 2 houses. One is Khaprel houses, another is Hut. He said, Balkishan entered into my Khaprel house. I was sitting in my hut. I saw from the courtyard of hut that he was shot. But he didn't inform. Neither his children nor his wife has been examined. It shows that, he has not seen the incident, Miller. And he is from the same caste. Miller, I have just prepared a note, Miller. And I have given the judgments at the end, Miller. I can hand over for Vinod, Miller.
All right.
I'm not repeating, my learned friend has read the evidence. And my lord, my client Vinod, he has already undergone 14 years and 7 days. On the first part I have mentioned, 9 years, 6 months, 24 days actual, and the remission is 4 years, 5 months and 13 days, Miller. He has already undergone 14 years, Miller. And my lord and friend has argued 149. I subscribe to that argument, and I have given the judgments at the end of my notes, Miller.
I was saying in the first incident case where there are many shops were open at 11 point of time.
CW8 is on page 170.
178, 178. Yeah. Despite their statement were recorded, none of them were cited as witness nor examined before the court to show that there was an incident happened in the first instance. This is also very relevant for the
No, we are concentrating on the second firing incident, not the firing incident which took place at the bus stop.
This incident also collaborated. That is the FIR. So I'm saying at this point that
Deceased belongs to BJP party or Congress party?
This belongs to Congress party.
This is
This
belongs
is
to the Congress.
Balbhushan. He is from Congress, and this Vikram, he is from BJP.
Vikram's wife has lost election against
the Balbhushan wife in
Balbhushan's wife.
94. In 2000, but he won. The proxy of Vikram won, proxy of Balbhushan lost.
but it's only a Panchayat election. It's only a Panchayat election.
Sarpanch elections in 2000.
That is mentioned.
The same year the incident. And Millard, state is hard.
Let him complete.
Then my lord, we just see page 159. Second line. The police Daroga had investigated from. After making investigation, police prepared the report. Facts stated before the court are that there is one chokri in Khambrel house in my brother. Accused dragged Balkishan by catching him from his arm from my Khambrel house. In the incident of shooting him by situated at a distance of 20 feet from the place of offense. These facts are not written by the police in my police statement. I cannot show them. So,
We think you have made yourself
yes,
clear.
well,
Nothing else.
I'll just, if my lord may permit, I'll just file the note, submit a note on the basis of which I may wish to rely upon.
You may do so.
Just on non-recovery of the cartridge, my lord, minor discrepancies between witnesses.
That we have noted.
One person says 3, one person says 4, 5. So that cannot be a ground to impeach the evidence.
Only one point.
So we are. What else?
One point. My learned friend does not touch upon the 157 CRPC.
Does not touch
So
upon.
this is considered by the High Court.
But High Court has considered in a different way, saying that I have to summon the document. It is, so the burden was shifted to that.
Yes. 1 second. Why this argument cannot be entertained at this stage has been considered by the High Court. Let us see. Through the record, though not on this technical ground.
Submission is made, there is a bearing in it because there is no endorsement. There is no endorsement found on the FIR whether it has been actually dispatched to the court or not. That to corroborate that the FIR was actually registered within a short span of 1 hour.
Anti-timed FIR.
Anti-timed. My case is the whole is anti-timed FIR. Because even Lordship just now seen that exhibit P5. He has shown only the sitting of Buddha Ram. He has not shown anywhere any of the witnesses present who were there in the spot. That is also very important to this case for consideration, my lord. The 24 para
2
20.
days to file my submission.
You file. You have already submitted your.
I have
written-
submitted.
They have submitted, so you also.
I already given a copy to the secretary.
Pergi, pergi dia bu.